I'm Norbert the Bear. I bet you were wondering how I became a member of the Storall family. It all started a long, long time ago right here at this very spot. I was accidentally left behind by my old family as they packed their U-Haul for San Francisco. I thought I'd be in the storage unit forever. One morning, I woke up to see two young boys cleaning out the unit for the next tenant. That's when I met Larry and Jeff. They came over and lifted me right out of the box to find out who'd left me behind. They tried and tried, but the number they'd called had been disconnected. After a few weeks had passed, Jeff and Larry adopted me and they made me a member of their family. I could not be happier. Now I live in here in sunny Deerfield Beach and I'm looking forward to having many great adventures. So far, I've traveled around to meet all the members of the Storall family, and now I'm excited to meet some of our loyal customers. Well, until the next adventure, see you later.